Hello, my name is Bruce Sullivan and I'm the owner of Sullivan Roof Cleaning. We're located out of Des Moines, Iowa. In this video today, I want to explain to some of you Cedar Shake homeowners that may be a little frustrated, that have an older roof and you're starting to see some of the repairs that are needed and you're having a hard time finding someone. We specialize in cleaning the Cedar Shake roofs. I've been doing it for many years. And the frustration that most Cedar Shake homeowners have is they can't get anyone to come out and do the repairs. A roofer doesn't want to do it because the roofer wants to put a new roof on, and it's not cost effective for them to come out and repair them. And a lot of the roofers today don't know how to repair a Cedar Shake roof. Myself, I'm 69 years old. I've been around Cedar Shake roofs since I was 15. So, I know quite a bit about the Cedar Shake roofs. In this particular picture here that I have before you, I'm showing you some areas that typically appear on Cedar Shake roofs after they've aged, 15, maybe 20 years, and they're called burnouts. And you'll see them where they burn out the shake itself and it exposes the felt. Well, the felt is the key factor to a Cedar Shake roof because the felt is usually a 30-pound felt, which is petroleum based, and it is the water barrier itself. The water barrier of a Cedar Shake roof is the felt, and the shakes protect the felt. And what the shakes do is they protect the felt from the UV damage. And it's the sun that burns these areas out. And because this is a petroleum-based felt, over time it dries that felt out, it'll crack, and then you start getting water leaks. So what you want to do is have this repaired. If you have it repaired, it immediately extends the life of your roof. Yeah, this is a roof that's about 25 years old. It's got age on it, but it hasn't been maintained. As you can see, there's just shingle missing here, shingle missing there, shingle missing here, a shingle missing there, another shingle here. Obviously, you'd want to put new shingles in those areas, but in these particular burnout spots, you would just go ahead and put a shim in. Well, what does that look like? Well, here's what a shim looks like. A shim is nothing more than a redwood cedar shingle. A shingle versus a shake is smaller and thinner. So you use that and you shim it right up in the area between where you see the burnout to cover it so that you don't get the sun exposure, and you want to keep the sun off of that felt. So you would want to do this before you clean the roof, and that way there you can have the aesthetic look so they blend in. I personally like to use a cedar shingle and that way it matches the roof that you already have. And how do you do that? Well, as you can see here in this particular picture, this is my partner and work partner. His name is Keith Nelson. He's been in the construction business for 35-40 years, and Keith does most of the repairs. Keith is a lot younger than I am. Keith is 43, I'm 69. So I prefer him to go up and do it, but I can do it myself. And what he's doing is he's going all over this roof before we clean this particular roof. We've already cleaned this one up here, and he's patching it. And so what does that look like when he gets done? This is what it looks like. It actually blends in. As you can see, we cleaned it since he's patched it, and you can hardly tell it's been patched. Now here's a roof over here that hasn't been cleaned and it's deteriorating, and if they don't clean this roof over a few more years, it's probably going to need replacing. Here's another roof up here in the left hand corner. You can see part of it that we've already cleaned. This is a townhome project, and we did about 35 roofs in this particular area. So one of the key factors to maintaining a Cedar Shake roof is doing the repairs. And we're starting to do that. This is February 2020. This is a service we're going to add to our cleaning service to maintain these roofs and help some of you Cedar Shake homeowners that are frustrated that can't get anyone to do the repairs. When we do these repairs, we have ladder standoffs. We don't walk on the roof. Our ladders will go up quite a ways. And we also have ladder hooks where we can roll the ladder up and it hooks over the top of the ridge cap, and we can walk up the ladder so that we can access everything that we need to access. So one of the key factors to maintaining your roof is getting these burnouts repaired if you have them on your roof, and to getting any missing shingles you have repaired, and it will extend the life of this roof. Even though it's 25 years old, it's technically got a lot more life to it. We just need to go ahead and patch this stuff up so it doesn't deteriorate any further and then end up with water damage, at which point then you're going to have a major roof repair. I'm going to go ahead and put up my contact information so that if you want to contact me, you can. Now here's a roof we did. I remember this one well. You could grow a garden on this. As a matter of fact, right here, this was actually a rose bush. I have never seen that in all the years I've been cleaning these. And I've cleaned some pretty nasty roofs, and this one's pretty nasty. But as you can see over here, we went ahead and cleaned the roof up, and then we replaced all those damaged shingles because that moss rotted out a lot of the shingles. And as you can see, we extended the life of this roof for quite a few years, for a long time. If he'd have kept going here another probably 2 or 3 to 4 years, he'd have had to put a new roof on. So again, that's Bruce Sullivan with Sullivan Roof Cleaning. This is my phone number here. You can reach me. It's best to text me if you would, because I'm either usually driving and I don't answer the phone when I'm driving, and also I'm usually out working. Or you can, better yet too, you can just email me. And I check my emails constantly. And if you do email me, please put your address in and tell me what are some of your concerns in some areas of your roof. Because with today's technology, I own a couple I rent a couple satellite systems that allow me to zoom in real time. So no matter where you're located. We've done, of course, we service Iowa. We do Minnesota. We've done Wisconsin, Illinois, Michigan, Indiana, Nebraska, Missouri, Kansas. You know, there's not too many places we won't travel to if we get enough work. We do want to do the repairs with a cleaning because it's not really cost effective for us to come out and just do the repairs. But if we are in your area doing other roof cleanings and you need some repairs done, if you contact me, we will set up a time to where we can come over and quote you out to do that and see if we can go ahead and extend the life of your cedar shake roof. No sense replacing a roof prematurely, and that's what's happening, and it's due to lack of maintenance. It's, you know, you should clean them about on average every 10 years, and you should have them inspected about every 5 years. So if you're interested in any of our service, please contact me, and again, I'll leave this up. Thank you. I hope this has been informative, and I hope it helps you out in your efforts to maintain your cedar shake roof. Again, that's Bruce Sullivan. I want to thank you and have a nice day.